Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Onyinye Ude, and if today is your first time of seeing my videos, then you are welcome. Please kindly subscribe and become a part of this platform. In this video, I'm going to be showing you a simple way to cook vegetable broccoli.
In this video,
let's get started.
I am going to show you how to cook it in a simple way. Okay, there are so many recipes you can use. You can spray oil on it and bake it. You can spray butter on it and bake it with salt, peppers. But today you can add it in your sauce, tomato sauce, or as vegetable. But today we are going to cook it using just water. We are going to boil the broccoli. Okay, so I'm going to trim it. I'm going to trim it with my hand. You don't cook it this way, you trim it. Okay, see, like this. Okay, so I used to eat, I like this soft stem. I used to eat it. Okay, so we're gonna trim it with our hand. You can use knife. The next thing to do is to wash it. Remember to always wash your vegetable. So, time to cook the broccoli. So, I'm going to boil some water. You can just put the broccoli in the pot, pour your water and start cooking. Salt it, add salt, then you start cooking. But I'm going to allow it to boil so that it will cook fast, and then add the broccoli. Okay, the water boils. Our water is boiling, so I'm gonna throw in the vegetable. Today we are cooking plain broccoli. Okay, steaming it, boiling it. All right, simple way to eat your broccoli. That is what we are going to do today. And one of those ways is boiling it. You can season it, spray some oil on it or butter and bake it. But we are boiling it today. So I allow the water to boil first before adding the broccoli. Okay, not everybody knows how to eat broccoli because we didn't come from the same country. So I'm going to add salt, just the way you steam your vegetables. I'm gonna add some salt to give it a taste. It just tastes like water. It doesn't have any strong taste. Okay, as soon as it boils, you remove it from the water so it doesn't overcook. It doesn't take time. Okay, 3 minutes is enough. I'm going to cover it back and let it cook for a while. It's cooked. Okay, you have to be careful so it doesn't overcook. We are going to remove it from the hot water. All right, so I'm going to run water. Okay, some people put it in iced water so that it will stop the cooking process. So today we cooked broccoli. Okay, and as you can see, it is done. Look at it. It doesn't taste bad, it tastes good. It doesn't have any strong taste. This is one way of making broccoli. You have several recipes for it. We've come to the end of this video. You eat it with your rice. You can enjoy it this way. It's healthy, it's vegetable. You add it to your white rice, jollof rice, whichever way you want to eat it. But this is it for you. As you can see, it retains its green color. All right, it's not overcooked. This is rice and stew, so you can enjoy it this way. Come to the end of this video. Have a blessed Christmas full of joy and peace of the Lord. Bye. See you once again.